First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. The software will install the Android version of iReaShare Android Manager on your Samsung phone. After that, you will see this main interface. Click the Super Toolkit tab and choose the Backup option. Select the file types you want and click Browse to pick a folder to save your backup files. Click Backup to start the process. All the chosen data types start transferring to your computer for backup. The duration of the transfer is determined by the volume of data. Click OK when the process is finished.